Okay, this is Lifelong Etudiant again, and my name is Evans. So I know you all remember this photo that I did content aware scale on. I just did this with the aim of adding another person to the picture. So let's see how it goes. So if you want to catch up with me, you can go ahead and just go and watch the video first, then come to this other one. Alright, so let me go ahead and export my expanded photo 1. Not export, actually import. There it is. And then I'll go to my second photo. This one. And add it right there. So you can see the difference between these two photos. This one looks warmer, but this one is cooler. And when you do them together, there'll be some kind of difference in the lights, because the lights this side are a little bluish. This one is red light or something. Okay, so I'll first just duplicate this one, Control J, and then I'm gonna just filter the photo, go to adjustment layer, then just go to photo filter, then warmth, just increase the warmth so that it matches this other one. Yeah, this one at least matches that one. Okay, let me add a little bit. Alright, so at 35, let me also merge these two, merge the layers. Alright, then duplicate again. Then I'm gonna go to use this object selection tool and just select this photo. And just hold on right there. Okay, let me try and zoom that. Okay, right. Okay, I'm gonna do a little further because it's not selected very well. You can see some pixels are left, like these ones and the trouser. Let me fix that. Just change the selection tool to quick selection tool. Alright, I'm just add some pixels on that. There we have it. The selection is nicely done. I can go and select and mask. I must switch this view mode to overlay. I can go ahead and just zoom. You can see some pixels are actually left, so you can go ahead and fix that here. You can go and feather. Don't feather too much. If you do feather too much, then you are out, your pixels will be out. So just feather a little there, then smoothen a little as well. Let me smoothen to 10, 7. Alright, that is that. Then just click on OK. Then your photo is fully selected very well. Actually, I can see that some part of the ears. Let me drag and drop the photo. So just switch on to this tool, the move tool. Then just drag the photo to this part here, drop it. So here we have the photo. You can go ahead and zoom because the man looks a little small, so go ahead and hit on Control T to transform the photo. Alright, so just do that. So actually, when doing a photo shoot, I don't know, is it the husband is supposed to be on the front or the girl? Okay, I don't know that. I really don't know that. Okay, should she be on the left or on the right? Okay, I think the husband is supposed to be behind. And taller as well. Wow, this one looks a little better. This one is better. This one is really better. Yeah, this is good. What about here? Well, this is really difficult to make. This is a decision. Difficult, but this one looks better. I'm going with this one. Just look at it. Look at it. It's like they're standing. Come on, y'all. Look at this. I think that size is okay. Okay, let me move it a little bit. This side to the right side. Yeah, that one looks better. That height is okay. Yeah, that height is actually okay. Alright, is so cool. Alright, just zoom out a little bit. Alright, now there is something lacking in this photo, the shadow. I'm gonna go and add a shadow in this photo. So otherwise, this is how easy it is to just transform the photo from... You take two different people from different photos and make them appear in one single photo. This is good. Let me just save that. Click on that. Save. Okay, I'm not gonna save that. I'm just gonna combine these two and come up with one single photo. Merge layers. There we go. Then duplicate that and then add your shadow. Of course, you can use the drop shadow, but that one is too long for me. And this is with the YouTube. People don't go bundles to watch all that. Right, there we have it. Nicely done. You can see the shadow appearing there, and this one as well. Alright, let me zoom out. See, you can see the shadow. See the difference now? Let me do that. See, there is the shadow. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and so see you next time. My tutorials are good here, so just make sure that your bell is on. You learn with me, and let's keep the comments coming and the ideas coming. See you next time. Peace.